Today, I am reviewing the AQUASTRONG in slash above ground pool pump. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. I have been maintaining residential pools for over 15 years, and if there's one thing I have learned, it is that the pump is the undisputed heart of the entire system. When my previous unit finally gave up the ghost after a long summer, I decided to take a chance on the AQUASTRONG 2 horsepower dual-speed pool pump in deep blue. After several weeks of rigorous daily operation, I can confidently say that this is one of the most versatile and impressive pieces of equipment I have added to my backyard setup in a long time. One of the most striking features of this pump is its dual speed capability. Most standard pumps are either on or off, which means you are constantly paying for maximum power even when you do not need it. With this AQUASTRONG model, you get a high speed of 5,186 gallons per hour, which is an absolute powerhouse for circulating water during the peak heat of the day or when the kids are splashing around. However, the real magic happens when you switch it to the low speed of 2,578 gallons per hour. Using this setting at night or during off-peak hours has significantly dropped my energy consumption without sacrificing water clarity. It is the perfect balance of raw performance and smart efficiency. I was initially concerned about whether this would fit my specific configuration, as my setup sits somewhere between a traditional Inground and a heavy-duty above-ground system. Fortunately, this pump is explicitly designed for both. The inclusion of dual adapters for both 1.5-inch and 2-inch internal diameters was a massive relief. It meant I did not have to make a frantic trip to the hardware store for extra PVC fittings or proprietary connectors. The installation was incredibly straightforward. The 6-foot power cord is UL-certified, which gives me a lot of confidence regarding the electrical safety and grounding of the unit, especially in a wet environment. Speaking of safety, the motor itself is ETL-certified. In the world of pool equipment, you see a lot of off-brand pumps that run hot or vibrate excessively, but the AQUASTRONG feels solid and runs remarkably cool even during the high-speed cycles. The self-priming feature is also a major highlight. There is nothing more frustrating than a pump that struggles to catch its prime after you have cleaned out the strainer basket. This unit clears the air from the lines quickly and gets a strong, steady flow going in a matter of seconds, which protects the motor from dry running and extends the overall lifespan of the internal seals. The aesthetics are a nice bonus as well. The deep blue housing looks professional and rugged, sitting much more discreetly by the poolside than the industrial gray or black units I have used in the past. It feels like a high-end piece of machinery rather than just a plastic utility tool. What really sealed the deal for me, however, was the 2-year warranty. Most pumps in this price bracket offer a year at most, but the fact that AQUASTRONG stands behind their product for 2 full seasons suggests they have real confidence in the durability of the internal components. It provides a level of peace of mind that is hard to find when you are dealing with high-pressure water systems. In terms of noise level, I was pleasantly surprised. High-horsepower pumps are notorious for a loud, high-pitched whine that can ruin a quiet afternoon on the patio. While you can certainly hear it when it is pushing over 5,000 gallons per hour, the sound is more of a low hum than a mechanical scream. When you drop it down to the low speed setting, it becomes almost whisper quiet. You could easily have a conversation right next to the equipment pad without raising your voice. If you are looking for a pump that provides the flexibility to handle heavy-duty filtration during the day while sipping power and staying quiet at night, the AQUASTRONG Dual Speed is a fantastic investment. It has handled the demands of my pool with ease, kept the water crystal clear, and saved me a noticeable amount on my monthly utility bill. Whether you have an above-ground pool that needs a serious boost or an in-ground system that requires a reliable primary pump, this unit delivers exactly what it promises. It is powerful, adaptable, and built to last, making it an easy recommendation for any pool owner looking to upgrade their hardware.